My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. One flirtatious attitude towards Topher don cause misreaction for internet space, and her boyfriend wey dem dey call Shaun don come out come call her names publicly. So of recent, immediately they come out from the Big Brother house, Shaun and Onyeka they become close friends. Do they see two of them together? And we all notice say Onyeka and Wanni they not dey close after the show. Anytime we say Onyeka and Wanni, Onyeka and Shaun dey close, Wanni fans and shippers they go dey vex for Shaun, they go dey call Shaun name and all of that. So all of a sudden we come dey see Wanni for video with Topher, where we say she dey dance with the guy in a flirtatious manner, with the way she even dress and all of that. Topher hand just gummo her body up and down. So the thing not sit well with Shaun, in come out to call react. You know to say Shaun a person wey be say anything wey be say dey sup with am, in dey always like talk am out for internet space. The boy is very blunt according to wetin we don see so far. He come out to come write for his story cause say ashawo where dey talk truth better pass girlfriend where dey lie, which means indirectly in dey say Wanni dey lie give her say nothing dey wrong between her and Topher, say they be just platonic friends, whereas na the opposite na im don dey see. So the truth be say we no go fit blame Shaun for this tweet wey be say e tweet somehow, because you no fit tell me say you dey date girl, the girl dress the way Wanni dress, go dey dance with another man, the man hand just dey all her body. This will not be about insecurity or anything, but na the truth. If you be say the guy na jealous lover, you can't dey display that type of affection for his face. I'm not sure saying go dey happy about it. So as he do that, as he make that statement, people come bring serious drags to Wanni. If fans wey be say they call Shaun stars come out, come dey rain insult on the girl up and down. The person wey start the thing, the person come put plenty laughing emoji because say she's used to casual shushing anyone can just chop horira with big belly like her fans. The truth be say Onyeka fans no hate Wanni the way Shaun fans hate the girl. I don't know whether her fans never notice say Shaun fans normally they not like Wanni at all. Now Shaun fan come tweet come say, I have an honest question, nobody should come for me. We have seen Wanni and Topher friendship sailing for days with no dragging whatsoever. Why is Shaun and Onyeka a problem? They have not even done half of what these new ones are doing. Honest question. Shaun come tag that tweet come say double standard, but that's life, so it's okay. So when the fans come out to the attack Shaun come out to come respond to them because say always confuse your enemies. Everyone is good IRL sha. My action speaks louder than that words, which means if they show Wanni enough PDA, so anybody will be say not see the affection where they show up publicly, make the person go help transform. I can say PS, do not use this as an opportunity to drag Wanni or Topher. I will block you. Shaun, if something dey pain you, go good make you come outside openly to come talk and say this the way this girl do dey pain me. You know, if you come out to come vent your anger finish, then come use corner way to come change the narrative. As he make that statement finish, people come under this particular tweet where he tweet come dey drag am. The first person come say one thing you should learn and accept is that not everyone will love you or like everything you do. Some people will hype other people just to get into you. Don't bring everything on tier. Respect your partners last friend. Don't invite unnecessary drags for her. Hopefully you learn. The next person can say, I pray Wanni stays away from you. A true friend will not do this. Never. Shaun just dey react. I don't know, Shaun and Shegs, I don't know why they two of them get one kind of reaction when it comes to tweeting. They're not they really sabi quote their word. They go just talk am the way the thing be. Another person come say, I think your need to be overly blunt and honest supersedes any loyalty you have to your friends or people you claim to care about. Sometimes as an adult, you have to find a balance and a better understanding of what that means in friendship. Another one say, may the good Lord open my guest's eyes to see you for who you truly are. I believe Shaun for handle this thing in a better way than coming online to come call the girl names like that. Even though say you not directly call Wanni name, we all know to say na Wanni they refer to. Even though say they try to cover up the thing somehow. Wanni on the other hand, she not try. I go see talk am again. She not try. Even if you and Percy be friend, why not keep boundaries? With the way the boy they all over you, you don't know whether your partner and a person they jealous. You know if you tell me say you never notice say Shaun and person will be say in they like they possessive and all of that. You can't go for online. They do that type of thing where you and Topher, they say una two na friends. The boy go react. So na reaction now we don't see so. This ship is heading nowhere. I don't talk am before, this ship no get head, there's no future. So people wey dey ship Shaun and Wanni, you people are just wasting your time, because it will not amount to anything. They will never get married. They are just cashing cruise. Make una not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Until next time, una take care. Una bye.